Are you tired of improving? Do you hate PBs? Are you annoyed because you seem to keep on getting faster? Well, today, I'm going to fix that. I'm going to be teaching you how to get slower at 3x3. Be careful though, because if you accidentally do the opposite, oops, you'll get faster. My bad. If you want to stay slow, whatever you do, don't learn full CFOP. CFOP is basically a speed cheat code. OLL has too many algorithms. F2L, too efficient. Cross, too planned. PLL, too PLL-ish? Stick to beginner's method. But if you accidentally learn full CFOP, or worse, start drilling OLL and PLL, you will get faster. Your cube must be an ancient artifact. Use a Rubik's brand from 2008, or a similar cube that doesn't turn too well. It's time to throw that $80 GAN cube that you got last week into the trash. Tighten the screws until it squeaks to turn. Add some sand instead of lube. If you accidentally use a good cube, your souls might improve, and that's unacceptable. Consistency is dangerous. Frequent practice is dangerous. And deliberate practice, that's how people get fast. Instead, practice every 3 months or so. Maybe 4 if you're feeling ambitious. If you accidentally practice regularly and properly, you'll ruin your slow streak. This tip is very important. No lookahead. Lookahead is dangerous. It's basically speed in disguise. Instead, when you're solving, just look at the piece that you're currently solving. Stare at it. Even if a nuclear bomb goes off next door, stare at that piece. And once it's solved, pause for like 30 seconds. And then stare at the next piece and do it again. To get slower, your turning must be awful. Use the slowest TPS that you can. Regrip for every turn. Do lockups on purpose. And whatever you do, no finger tricks. Finger tricks are dangerous. They lead to speed. If you accidentally turn smoothly with a decent TPS, you'll probably get faster, so stay vigilant. This tip is critical if you want to achieve maximum slowness. During inspection, don't plan anything. Look at the colors or maybe count the stickers. And when the timer starts, you should have no idea where your cross pieces are. And that's perfect. Planning your cross is dangerous. Planning anything is dangerous. Planning leads to efficiency. Efficiency leads to speed. Speed leads to PBs. And PBs are the enemy. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to getting slower at 3x3. And if you accidentally do the opposite, then you'll get faster. And honestly, that's kind of the point. Subscribe!